How to fix Roblox widescreen glitch. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll be discussing about fixing the Roblox widescreen glitch. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to locate the Roblox player, right-click on it, and then select Properties, that is the last option. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, make sure to check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. And after that, click on Apply and then click on OK. Once you've done that, let's move on to the next step. Open your Windows search bar and then type in Background Apps. Click on the System Settings and ensure that the option is turned off. Next, open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard, or you can just go ahead and right-click on this Windows icon and then tap on Task Manager. Once the Task Manager opens, click on More Details to see all the applications running on your computer and close any application that you're not currently using. For that, you can right-click on it and then click on End Task. After you've closed the unnecessary applications, exit the Task Manager and try running your Roblox player of the game again. And you should be good to go. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.